Now this is boy 1 from Penny's litter. He should take after his father. He's a little bigger. Hi. Oh yes, the yawn. He's got a beautiful black mask with a little bit of white. And all 4 feet have the white. He's a little darker, but he also has the golden brown, reddish golden brown. And he is 3 weeks old. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Oh no, gotta put you down. Hey, Zoe. Come here. Hi. So that is boy 1 from Penny.